What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I look like I've been beat up and my face is so red because I just woke up. I just took off my face makeup. I'm keeping my eye makeup on so I don't just look too ratchet, you know what I mean? Because for today's video we're going to be testing out some nose strips. So I actually have a couple blackheads right now. I don't know where they came from, kind of pissed off about it, not gonna lie. I threw my hair up because I have to wash my face first. It says you have to wash your face, so I have to wash my face, whatever. And then we're gonna do them. Oh. So they are the Bioré Charcoal Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. It says intensely unclogs pores and draws out excess oil. First of all, I don't have oil on my face. It is literally as dry as it can get. So that's disgusting. But it says blackheads gross, they'll get rid of it for you. Works like a magnet. Just 10 minutes, you'll remove it and then it'll be gone. So we're gonna do it. It says remove strip from pouch, twist, loosen, wash your face thoroughly, wet your nose, and the strip won't stick if it doesn't. Dry hands, peel the strip off the plastic liner, apply to the nose area, and then let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes until stiff to the touch, and then slowly, carefully peel it off. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the bathroom and wash your face. But before we do, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go wash this part of our face. We're just gonna wash this part. I don't even care about this part. Okay guys, so this is my setup. It kind of looks ratchet, not gonna lie. I have to bend down because the lighting makes me look even redder than I am. It's disgusting, I'm sorry, but this is what we have to work with. So I'm gonna wash my face with the St. Ives, I think that's what it's called, exfoliate and nourish coconut oil scrub. I've used this for so long, you can tell I swear by it, it's so freaking good. So I'm gonna wash my face. Maybe I should get a towel first. Okay guys, so your nose is supposed to be wet. So I just wet my nose. And this is what the strip looks like. Actually, this isn't the actual strip. This is the packaging for the strip. Duh. I'm gonna take it out. I've never used the charcoal strip before, but I've used one of their other strips before. I forget what it's called. But I like that one too. But we're gonna go ahead and use this one today. Bit like that. There we go, and we let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll get back with you guys. A little later, I cried a lot of it, but we're just gonna forget about it, and we're just gonna go ahead and see how it goes. So the girl's just emo right now, so I cried. It takes forever for my face to come down, so that's why I look all blotchy and stuff, and I'm just gonna forget about it. I'm just gonna put it in the video because we're gonna be real, and we're gonna go ahead and peel it off. Ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that hurt. There's still stuff on my nose. That hurts so bad. There's not really... Oh, there's a lot of little hairs. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if it'll focus. No, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Now I have to get it off my nose. Oh my god, but my nose is so smooth now. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my god. It's actually so smooth now. Wow. There's no, I had some blackheads and they're all gone. Oh my gosh, I think I love. I totally recommend this. You guys should try it. It literally took off everything I had on my nose where it was, except obviously some black pieces right there. But like, it is so, I'm gonna make my boyfriend do it. It's so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. You guys should definitely go buy it. thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.